Namaste. I am Dr. K. Kalra, former CEO NABH Quality Council of India and presently Director Heartcare Foundation of India. Today we will talk about role of herbal medicines in respiratory infections. Respiratory tract infections are the commonest reason for outpatient visits as well as antibiotic misuse in both adults and children. Upper respiratory tract infections include acute rhinitis or rhinosinusitis, acute pharyngitis or torsillopharyngitis, acute epiglottitis, acute laryngitis and acute otitis media. These are mostly caused by viruses such as rhinovirus, influenza, parainfluenza, respiratory syncytial virus, human metapneumovirus, enterovirus, adenoviruses, Epstein-Barr virus and herpes simplex virus. Non-viral causes include Streptococcus pyogenes, Pneumococcus, Barxella H influenza, Staph aureus, Bordetella pertussis and Mycoplasma, gonorrhea, Cronibacterium diphtheria. Acute bronchitis and community acquired pneumonia are diseases of the lower respiratory tract. Are these antibiotics needed for these respiratory infections? In case of viral upper respiratory tract infections, the treatment is symptomatic. Therapy includes paracetamol, nasal saline drops, rest, oral fluids and humidification and herbal and home remedies such as honey, ginger, etc. Sometimes oral and nasal decongestants and antitussives such as dextromethorphan, gargles and steam inhalations may be used. Antibiotics are not indicated for viral upper respiratory tract infections. The patients should be warned about symptoms which indicate the complications. These are difficulty in breathing, persistent fever beyond 4 to 5 days or ear pain. Antibiotics are not indicated in case of bronchitis. In addition, it has also been suggested in a 2017 study that antibiotics interact with cells, especially immune cells, to alter the biochemistry and impact bacteria and immune cells. The researchers found that antibiotics exposure also impaired immune functions by inhibiting respiratory activity in immune cells. It was shown that the antibiotics have the potential to modulate the immune system. The role of herbal drugs in viral respiratory tract infections. The herbal medicines and purified natural products provide a rich resource for novel antiviral drug development. Herbal plants, plant preparations and phytoconstituents have proved useful in reducing the infectious conditions and were the only remedies available till the advent of antibiotics. Essential oils refer to bacterial infections administered separately or in different mixtures are also beneficial in preventing influenza complication. When are antibiotics recommended in respiratory tract infections? Antibiotics are given in cases of confirmed bacterial pharyngitis, bacterial sinusitis and acute otitis media. Antibiotic therapy should be initiated as early as possible in case of community acquired pneumonia. The role of herbal medicines in management of infections. The herbal medicines are used as treatment for various diseases and for combating chronic infections in various diseases. Many of the chemicals found in plants such as alkaloids, the flavonoids, terpenoids, polysaccharides, lactones and glycoside products are responsible to cause alteration in the immunomodulatory properties. Various medicinal plants and traditional medicine derived from them have been used to enhance immune response to several disease agents. Herbal medicines can activate cellular immunity and antibody dependent complement mediated cell lysis. Herbal preparations are important in improving the immunocompetence in disease states. Regarding the antibacterial properties of herbal medicines, two clinical trials have reported herbal therapies to be as effective as conventional treatment. Most herbal formulations with viral infection benefits are dedicated to the respiratory diseases. Similarly, an Ayurvedic medicine combining various herbs including Balsamodendron mukul, Mahasandhi, Quath, Tinospora, Cordifolia, Rubia cordifolia, Tucatu, Inula racemosa, Amblyca officinalis and Glyza glabra has been shown to act as an immunomodulatory in the management of upper and lower respiratory tract infections and allergic disorders of the upper respiratory tract infections. Herbal formulations in chronic and recurrent respiratory infections. The herbal formulations have been proven to be effective in stubborn chronic respiratory infections such as sinusitis and pharyngitis. Studies have also proven clinical efficacy of herbal formulations in the management of chronic bronchitis. They have also been found to be safe, effective and well tolerated in treating as well as preventing recurrent respiratory tract infections in children. Indian Bdellium. Let us see some important herbal drugs used in respiratory infections. The first one is flowering plant with anti-inflammatory action. It is a soothing agent and an antioxidant. The meaning of the word Guggal is fight against disease. Guggal is one of the main ingredients for secondary ingredients for several drugs or medicines. It is also recommended for hay fever, laryngitis, chronic bronchitis. Chemical ingredients of Guggal have strong antimicrobial, antiviral and antibacterial properties. It also has an immunomodulatory activity. Licorice is an herb with immunomodulatory or immunostimulatory, antiviral, expectorant and anti-inflammatory therapeutic action. Licorice is used for alleviating pain, tonifying spleen and stomach, eliminating phlegm and relieving coughing. Various studies have revealed many pharmacological activities of licorice, and among these are the antiviral and antimicrobial activities have been most commonly reported. Tinospora. It has antimicrobial and immunostimulatory therapeutic action. It has strong immunomodulatory properties and works by boosting the phagocytic activity of macrophages, production of reactive oxygen species in the human neutrophil cells, enhancement in nitric oxide production by stimulation of splenocytes and macrophages indicative of anti-tumor effects. Advantage of herbal drugs. The wide prescription of herbal drugs is mainly due to their effectiveness, less side effects and relatively low cost. Therapeutic uses of medicinal plants in various diseases also have the additional important advantage of their easy availability. This is a reason why traditional medicine practitioners widely use medicinal plants in their day-to-day practice. In vitro and clinical studies suggest the therapeutic potential of aromatic herbs in the treatment of respiratory ailments such as bronchial asthma, chronic fever, cold and cough. The takeaway messages are, to summarize, most of the upper respiratory tract infections are viral in nature and do not require antibiotics. In fact, a study has also revealed the role of antibiotics in modulating the immunity of the individual. Antibiotics are definitely needed in case of bacterial pharyngitis, bacterial sinusitis and acute otitis media. Herbal medicines have diverse benefits on immune systems such as activation of cellular immunity, improving immunocompetence in disease states. They have antibacterial and antiviral benefits as well as to tackle the respiratory diseases. Easy availability, effectiveness, less side effects and relatively lower cost have given herbal drugs a major therapeutic advantage. Thank you.